Hey, welcome to TurnerTime Management. This tutorial is on how to set Repfabric as a start page on your Edge browser. You can set any other web page as the home page of your browser. However, in this tutorial, we are going to set Repfabric. Left-click Settings and more in the top right corner. From the menu, left-click Settings. Left-click on Start, Home, and New tabs. Select Open these pages. Left-click Add a new page. Copy the URL of your Repfabric dashboard. Go back to the Settings page, paste the URL, and left-click Add. Now I am going to close all the tabs and finally the browser. The next time when you will open Edge, it will directly start in your Repfabric. By the way, TurnerTime is a Repfabric partner, so if you are looking for training and coaching on effectively using Repfabric, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463, and we look forward to being of service.